Hello and welcome to my test bench. Today I will show you how you can write a quite simple virus from scratch. So let's get started. I created a folder, called it virus, opened it in VS Code. And let's start music for myself. We will write this in a quite simple manner. I try to explain everything, and I have a cheat sheet on my left. So let's create the virus file, virus.py. Now we will create a folder, call it data, create another folder, and this we call virus, create an init file. Then we will need some stuff. Read from Encryption, import everything. From file finder, we will create all these files. But we will split our code so it's easier to maintain. Import everything, then get network passwords, let's import everything. So as you can guess, what we will do is we will encrypt files, we will get credentials for websites and stuff, and we also will get some network information and passwords. And we will send all those information to a server, including the keys for the encrypted files. Okay, from virus import get credentials, get network passwords, file finder, and encryptor modules. Let's create those files. Get credentials, import requests, and then we say URL equals, I specify this URL for my server now. Then I check if my server is there. We'll perform the bad stuff. We now get our password list, network passwords, run, let's say file finder, files, and I will give him some information. I will use it to specify the file types we are looking for. Point means everything. And now we grab our encryption information. The file will be total path. Now we will create some useful objects. Now we will stop and make some functionality, and the rest of this I will paste, so we can skip this for now. We start with the credentials, get credentials. Basically what we will do, we will connect to the SQL database of Chrome and extract the files we need. And now we need to get the encryption key. For this, need to grab it by OS path join. OS environment, now the user profile. You can exactly write it this way. Actually, it's a key, so it's a key for dictionary. I hope I don't get it wrong, but I'm pretty sure. What is the way I think of it? Now we open this file and read it. Right, this is exactly this way. Keys as well. Try, accept, return. Let's run this finally. Now we read the data and store it in our variables, so we can export it later. I missed something. Oh yes. Copy this and then do this. And return credentials list and accept pass. So okay, we will create our credentials and also the mid object. I'll give it an ID anyway. I don't set it. Credentials list is basically to manage the data a little better. We need to create 3 more classes, but I will do one now. Credentials, always the same, but this and the next 2 classes will also have a 2-line function. Basically, I don't want to write this, we'll copy it. Look, you have to write it. What do we next? Password list, okay. Network passwords. That's quite simple. We use a built-in Windows command. Subprocess, we need to import pipe and popen. So I will need regex and from virus we will need our modules command. Create a process. And pipe the std out back to our program. Okay. We need to specify our commands here and execute them then. What's the command function? So that's it. Create a module class, WLAN password, the password, and now let's create also the encryption info. Let's call it file path, file name, and the key. Oh no, I will copy the 2 line functions because I'm lazy. I have to check them because yes, it's fine. This will work. Okay, I finally create this. Let's write the encryptor. Still use finite. So let's create a finite key. I want it to be exactly this way. And we give it a path, the chunk size. Oh no, let's encrypt the stuff. We got a path, we got a chunk size, and we got a key. Try to open the file, read binary, it's important. Confused, misspelling. Chunk is file.read, chunk size, then we say encrypted chunk. That's the last chunk. Can close it, and then we will try to delete the original file. Let's save all the stuff. Let's have a look here. Let's try this out real quick. So from Flask, import Flask, and we need requests, then we need OS, create an app, Flask underscore name underscore, and then the data folder path, let's always get current working directory, data, route our app, set methods to post JSON data equals request JSON data file. Open our data folder path plus save data. Write normal. Then open the data file. Write JSON data and close it. Return. Done. Let's run this. It runs on every machine in the network. Give it a port. This port needs to be the same than this port. Let's see what we forgot. The server's running. When we run this, we connect, say get credentials run, goes into this, and at the end returns the credential list. It returns the password list. Oh, we didn't write the file finder. Let's do it. Get file list, file type. Let's check this. Now we can run this function. No, we can't run this function because I have to call it run. I want to send one line to my server. One line containing all the information we gathered. We create a line, and on top of it we write in capital characters credentials. Then we break the we make a new line, and then we loop through our credentials list. And for every credential we will create a line, and this line will also be separated in lines. This is what two line functions each does. Yes, I can't go to it directly, so where is this? Where are my modules? There. So here we create a new line, then we write the ID, the origin file in the new line, and so on. We do this for everything, so when you see the result, you see the result and why I did it this way. Okay, let's give it a try. Rename a file. This one was called virus.py, and I renamed it to service, so it doesn't interfere with this one. It's holding some additional code we need. After this, I also had to adjust my makefile, so I renamed this. This was virus. I renamed it to service as well, and then I run makepy, get my new makebot, then just copy and paste this into your command and create the executable with PyInstaller. Then let me delete this. I tested it. So then we get our file here. Here you now can run it. I will not get it back. I will not hide it inside in PNG because yeah, basically this is throwing the error alone. So if this now works, it's all done and it's fine. Let's run this. No, wait a second. Need to make sure that my server's running. Because I want to get some data. So let's run this. Yeah, let's check the data. And the next to be done would be creating a backdoor. So by this I mean giving myself access to this.